This is a team drill. The faster you do this, the sooner the pain will finish. So I'd like you simply to line up. You have two options. You're either going to hold a high plank or an abdominal plank. Can't even say the word, abdominal plank. The choice is yours. Now, if you're on the end, you will stand up into guard. Jab cross, push or front kick. You will run around the back. You will get down. You will hold a plank. And the next person will jump up and do the same. Your goal is to move the line all the way down there like a typewriter. And when you get to the final piece, when you get to that wall, it's over. So the faster you move, the faster you do techniques, the sooner it will end. Here's the catch. If I see sloppy techniques, I will shing, reset the typewriter and make you do the whole haul again. Yeah, no, you won't kill me. You'll kill the person who did the sloppy technique. I'll take it, I'm ready. Okay, so ladies, everybody down that end, please. In a nice straight line. Oh, it's a typewriter. Okay, ready, and plank. Can we change our plank position from high to low? Absolutely, you may change between the two. And the reason I do this is the last drill. The reason I do this is because, especially for the younger ones, this kind of a plank takes a lot of core muscles and a lot of other additional muscles. So you start here, and your goal is eventually to get to here. Okay? So that's why. No, I was being polite. Okay, ready? And everybody off the ground, and go! Jump up, jab cross, front kick, and run to the back. As soon as they come down in plank, the next person goes. That's it. Go, 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 go. You got it. Perfect. Fast you can. Jab cross. Good. Run, 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 run. As soon as they're down, you pop on up. That's it. Good. Go, 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 go. Go for it. You got it. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. Nice. Good communication from all of you. Well done. Boom, boom, boom. Yes. You're over halfway. Well done. Keep it going. Nice. Oh no! Please don't break it. No, we're not going to cut this one short. Nice. Good. We're almost there. We're almost there. You got like 1 or 2 people left. Time! Well done. Good work. Ladies, that was awesome. That's it. If I try and get anybody to do something difficult, unless it's like my high ranks, so I'm talking, for me, it's my blues, my browns, my blacks, my first degrees, I'm like, no, you guys are going to suck it up. But if you're in training and you're getting to your black belt, I will always try and bring some kind of fun to it, either by competition or teamwork or just pushing your personal best. And that's how you keep somebody motivated long term. Yeah, you can come in, and if they come in and they have a beasting every single week, and some people are nuts, they'll train with us 3, 4, 5 times a week. It's like they get beasting all the time. They're done. It's like, wow, I could do a beasting at home. They don't learn anything. So there are 3 things that you want to bring to every single drill. Number 1 is you have to physically push them. If they're not really kind of like a little bit tired at the very least and sweating by the end of it, you haven't pushed them. Number 2, it must be educational. Every single drill we've done today, in one form or another, is educational, either through your techniques, or it's working coordination, or it's working distancing, or it's working footwork. It's always educational. And the most important thing, bar none, has to be fun, especially if you're teaching children. Now, there are different levels of fun. If you go too far one way, it's just a game. So you get that balance like we did today, you've got it.